Hey guys, my name is Tesla and I've been using Pro Hair Tie for 3 months now, and I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to use it. So it's nice and stretchy. Just put it in like a regular ponytail. Super smooth, super easy. And then you find the clasp and then just lift up, shake it out, good to go. I also love that no matter if you have thick hair or fine hair, you can cut it to your desired size. You can also mix and match the colors, which is perfect for game day when you want to match your favorite team. So these are great for every hairstyle, but my preferred is the messy bun because I'm always on the go. But it's super simple and easy. And then once you get it in, it stays nice and secure all day long. Then super easy to take out. Whenever you have a messy bun, it may take you just a second to find the clasp, and then once you do, you just pull up, shake it, and release, and you're good to go. And then it also makes for a cute bracelet. Everyone I show these to loves them, and I know you will too. Check out all the colors below and order yours today.